Hello from Taj Medics. I've got a Citroën Picasso here on a 2006-2007 plate. I'm just doing a sidelight bulb on this, which is a 501 bulb, and if you needed that, it'll be in the description as well, so do check it out. Now the bulb I need to replace is the inside one right there. I mean, as you can see, this one is working. To do it, it is simple. Lights up, please. You can see that plug right there, the brown plug. All I do is twist that plug to my left, and then once I've done that, I take the whole thing out nice and gently. So I now replace the bulb, which is a 501 capless bulb. That's the bulb I need to replace. So this is right here, 501. Put the new one out. To plug it in, it is quite simple. So there's only one way the bulb would go. So you slot the bulb in, and that's it, job done. Just remember the seal, don't lose the seal. And when you do it, you just got to slot it through the hole. Show you the hole right there. So you can see that's the hole right there. So we need to slot it through that hole. Once we get it in there, job done. And now that I've got it in there, all I now do is twist it to my right to make sure it's sitting nicely. We're going to check the lights now, see if it's working. Switch the lights on, please. As you can see there now, this is working and that one's working. Both of them are working. With this one, on this side, it is same thing again. It's a brown plug. You just got to get your hands through the back here and twist it to your left and undo it. That should do the trick. If there is anything else you need to know with regards to the Citroen, there is a playlist. Do check it out. And for the bulbs as well. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel as well. Thank you very much and goodbye.